Are you going to the assessor's office?
I'm sorry?
Are you going to the assessor's office?
Yes, sir.
It's already been taken care of. The lady came.
Okay.
Your supervisor, well, the other, you know, the shorter lady? She already saved the day. Can we have your name just for the record?
You did him, sir. Are you all set?
Just for the record, what is it?
It is right here.
Right here? Right here, it's not your name.
You know how to read, right?
Huh?
You know how to read.
Is that how you would tell a judge? Is that how you treat customers? Is that how you treat the public? We got ourselves a little rude guy right here. So, make sure you stay professional, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Can you have the Charlie 345 and give me a call, please? 2323.
Everybody's replaceable. Do you know how to read? Super disrespectful. Do you know how to read? I bet I can read better than you. One page of the Harry Potter book. Let's do it.
What?
Can I have your name and position, please?
Sergeant Kanya?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. He was rude about it. He said, don't you know how to read? So, thank you for being...
Before we get into the details, understand what makes this encounter so tense. A simple traffic stop quickly becomes a confrontation over filming, public space, and the limits of police authority. At the beginning, the citizen approaches while officers are dealing with a traffic violation and immediately explains that he is not interfering. He asks whether he can walk away and repeatedly points out that he is standing in a public area. The officers, however, want him to back up and keep his distance. The situation becomes even more heated when the citizen points out where the patrol vehicle is parked, claiming it is creating a safety issue near a fire hydrant. He then asks an officer for a name and badge number. Instead of ending there, the disagreement continues, setting the stage for a much larger argument about authority, accountability, and the right to record.
Oh, off the car.
Can I help you?
What? I didn't hear you. What you said?
Can we help you with something?
No, thank you.
Are you leaning on the car?
Okay, why are you leaning on the car?
You see what I'm doing?
You can't lean on it.
Can't
It's
lean on
okay.
it. It's a police unmarked vehicle. You can't lean on it.
Yes, I could.
No, you
Yes,
can't.
I could. Can I help you with something?
Can we help you with something?
No,
Why are you looking into our vehicles?
I'm recording.
Congratulations. Why?
Why am I recording?
Yes.
Do I need a reason why?
I'm asking you.
I'm okay.
I'm asking you not to lean on our vehicles.
I'm okay.
Stop leaning on the car. What are you doing?
Get off the car.
Is there a reason why you're bothering me right
Yes,
now?
Yes.
don't lean on the vehicle.
So?
Get off the
Because
car.
there's no reason for you to be looking into our vehicles.
That's your opinion.
It's not our opinion.
It is an opinion.
It's not. There's no reason for you to be looking into them.
That's
or
your
leaning on them.
opinion. That's your opinion.
We're asking you to
Dude,
get
stop.
off our cars.
Stop that big of a deal. Get off the
There's
car.
only two things you can do right now. You can either protect my rights,
We're
or you
asking
can just
you
give
to
out.
get off our
You can
vehicles.
just you can violate my rights, or you can protect my rights.
We're asking you to get off.
So what are you gonna do?
Get off the car.
Why are you stopping me from videoing?
I'm not stopping
We're
you
not
from
stopping
You
you
are.
from videos. We
Stopping
didn't
you
tell
to
you
get
to
off the
stop
car.
recording.
Why are you making contact with me?
But you're on the car. This
So
is our car.
what?
Get
It
off
is
the
our car.
No, it's not your car.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
Shut up. Get off the car.
No,
It's
I'm
an
okay.
NYPD
I'm
unmarked
okay.
vehicle.
Get off the
I
car.
don't listen to unlawful orders.
We're asking
Can I
you
do
to stop
something for
leaning
you?
on the car.
Why?
Because there's no reason for you to be leaning on our police vehicle.
There is a reason.
There
What's the reason?
isn't.
What's the reason?
I told you I'm recording.
Okay, cool. Congratulations.
cool.
You can't lean on the car.
Step away
Let
from
me
it.
get you.
can
You
record all
making
you
contact
want.
with me with no body camera on? Have a good day. I don't talk to police
There's
without
no
their body
reason for you
cameras
to be
on.
leaning on our
Have a good
vehicle.
day.
You
I don't
wanna
talk to police.
record?
You wanna
You wanna
make
record?
contact with me? Turn your body camera on. Or I'm just gonna ignore you.
There's no reason for
Okay.
you
Have a good day.
on our vehicle.
You see I'm recording the sign right here, right? You see that? You see I'm recording that, right?
Well, no, I can't tell what you're doing.
So investigate, pay attention.
That's why I'm fucking
No,
asking
you're
you.
trying to
No.
investigate, pay attention.
why I'm fucking
No,
asking
you're
you.
trying to
No.
no, you're trying to give me unlawful orders.
No,
Turn your
I'm
body
asking
camera on, or go 1098.
Look at that.
Get off the car.
Congratulations. Get
Give
off
me
the
a
car.
card.
Get off the
Give me
car
your card.
first.
I'm not on the car, and it's not a
Leaning on the
crime.
vehicle.
Right here, the situation starts going sideways, and the change is subtle but important. The citizen is trying to request a supervisor, apparently believing that bringing another officer into the conversation could settle the disagreement. From his perspective, the process should be straightforward. Ask for a supervisor, wait, and explain the issue. But the response does not immediately resolve the dispute. Instead, questions and demands continue, creating a communication loop where neither side seems willing to back down. What makes this especially interesting is that there is no obvious emergency unfolding at this point. The argument is largely about procedure and who gets to determine how the interaction should proceed. The citizen believes he is exercising his rights, while the officers appear focused on maintaining control of the scene. With cameras recording everything, every command, and every response becomes part of the public record.
On the vehicle.
You enforce the law. What law are you enforcing?
We're asking you to stop.
What law are you
leaning on
enforcing?
our NYPD unmarked vehicle. There's
What law
no
is that?
reason for you to be.
What law
leaning
am I
on it.
breaking?
We're
What law am I
asking you
breaking?
nicely.
Asking you to get off the car.
What law am I breaking? I said no, thank you.
Just like if you were leaning on a
What law am I
civilian's car,
breaking?
stop leaning on their
What
car.
law am I breaking, law enforcement officer?
We're asking you to just stop.
What
leaning
law
on
are
the
you
vehicle.
enforcing, law
Stop
enforcement
leaning on the
officer?
vehicle.
I said I'm okay.
Stop leaning on the
I'm
vehicle.
okay. I'm recording something.
Congratulations.
I need to lean on the car. I need to lean on the car to get a good picture of that. These words are really small. Yes, I do. That's my
That's why your
business.
phone has Zoom.
Yeah. You see me damaging the car or something?
Yes, you're leaning on it.
Leaning
No.
on it, yep.
No.
Yeah.
There's no way. I didn't damage anything. Everything's on camera. Let me get your car. It's the second time I'm asking. You already don't like me because I say you look like Mariah Carey. You think I don't remember you? Let me get your card.
Congratulations. I don't
Go
care.
inside and get one.
Let me get your card or write your name on this one. Write your name on this one.
Remember my name?
Yep. I'm not going to stop doing something I have a right to do.
We're just asking you to stop.
And I said
leaning
no
on the
thank you.
vehicle.
I said no thank you.
Just like you.
I said no thank you.
Can I talk or are you going to keep interrupting? You mean
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Just
Well,
like
you cursed at me
okay.
already. I didn't curse at you.
Congratulations, I don't care.
So who's being disrespectful?
I don't care.
You are, right?
I don't care.
You're being
Just
disrespectful,
like we would ask
right?
you to stop leaning
And
on
I
a
can be
civilian
disrespectful.
vehicle. We
You
ask
can't.
to stop leaning on our marked
I said
car.
no thank you.
So stop.
I'm okay.
So
No
stop.
thank you. Why don't you
So
stop? Why don't you stop?
We ask
Dude,
you to
just
stop.
Why don't
leaning
you
on our
stop
car.
running
That's
on
all we
ego?
ask you to do.
It is our car. You're right. It's
It's
city
not your car.
property.
Stop saying
Can
that.
I lean on the building?
No.
No.
I can. Of course I could.
Lean
Can I lean on? Can I lean on the precinct building?
No, there's no reason.
Of course I could. It's city property, right? So is this.
All we're asking you to do
As
is
long as
stop
I'm
leaning
not
on our
damaging
vehicle.
it or trying to break into it or committing a crime, I'm
we
well
know
within
what
my
you're doing
rights
when
to
we walk
lean.
over here.
I'm well within my rights to lean over here and to capture this on camera. It doesn't f***ing matter. You're not enforcing no law. You're enforcing your ego. Y'all know
not
exactly who I am. So you're coming over here to f*** with me. I mean, if you want to be famous, go ahead. If you want to be famous, go ahead. Expose yourself.
I don't care. No one's trying
Go
to
ahead.
be famous.
Well,
We're
you
trying to
want.
do
Go
our
ahead.
job.
You can't record.
Stop
Go
leaning
ahead.
on the car.
I'm okay.
Stop leaning on the car.
It's not a crime. Is it a crime?
If you're damaging
on
the
your
vehicle,
property,
yes.
so.
You see me damaging it?
We're just asking you to stop leaning on the vehicle.
Why would you ask me that?
It's not your car.
It is our car.
It's not your
It
car.
is our
It's not
car.
your car.
Who pays for it?
Not you.
No?
No.
So you don't.
As the encounter continues, the atmosphere shifts from a simple conversation into a genuine power struggle. The repeated disagreement over how the interaction should work shows that neither side is willing to accept the other's position. Eventually, additional officers become involved, and the conversation takes a more structured direction. Names and badge numbers are exchanged, and one officer identifies himself as Officer Dolan. Interestingly, the tone changes when the citizen begins speaking with another officer. Instead of immediately escalating, they have a surprisingly relaxed exchange about filming the police and the camera equipment being used. The citizen explains that they document police activity, while the officer appears curious about the unusual camera setup. This moment is important because it demonstrates how quickly the tone of an encounter can change depending on who is involved. One officer sees the camera as a challenge, while another seems much more comfortable with being recorded.
You don't either.
So I guess it doesn't belong to the city of New York. It's not funded by tax dollars.
We pay our own tax dollars.
Congratulations.
Okay.
You pay a small amount in taxes, or for our tax money.
We're asking you to get off the
Is there
vehicle.
something I can do for you?
We're asking
No,
you
we're
to get
gonna
off
say
the
it
Why
vehicle.
don't you break contact?
We're We're asking you to
Why
get
don't
off
you
the
break
vehicle.
contact? Stop running on ego.
We're asking you to get off
Why
the
don't you
vehicle.
protect my rights? I'm asking you to protect my rights.
This isn't violating
I'm
your
asking
rights.
you to
This
stop
is
bothering me.
protecting your rights.
You're causing me
Get off the
annoyance and
vehicle.
alarm right now. You're harassing me.
Because we don't know what you're doing.
You're causing me annoyance and alarm. You're harassing me.
Cool.
I'm supposed to be protected right now.
Okay, we're asking you to get off the
We're
car.
all
That's all we're
doing is
asking you
ask you
to
to get
do.
off the car.
I'm videoing something and you're interrupting me.
Okay.
Congratulations.
If you didn't interrupt me, I would have did my commentary, kept recording, and then I would have naturally got off the car. You understand? But you're
You're
f***ing with
just doing
me
it because you have an ego.
because I have a right to. I have a right to. Yeah,
No,
I must
not
be.
an
You must be rubbing off on me.
Get off the car. That's all we're asking you to do. What, you got an ego just because the cop's asking you to do it? But if a civilian were asking you to do it, you would,
You shouldn't
right?
even ask me nothing.
I'm asking
You
you
shouldn't
to
ask
get
me
off the car.
nothing.
Just like if it were a
You shouldn't even
civilian
ask me
vehicle.
nothing. If this
Don't
was
lean
a
on the
fuck,
car,
if
that's
this
not
was
yours.
somebody's Bugatti and I wanted to take a picture with it like that, it's not a fucking crime. As long as I don't know it's not.
Yes, it is.
So what's the crime?
You're damaging the vehicle.
What's the crime? How am I damaging the
Leaning
vehicle?
on the vehicle
Articulate
with
it.
your weight.
Articulate
Leaning on the
it.
vehicle with your weight.
What's
Give access
damaged?
to the car.
What's damaged?
Yeah.
Could. What's damaged on it?
And we're asking you to get off of it.
Be careful. Don't let your elbow touch the car. You could damage it.
I drive this car, so.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That means you could damage it?
Not damage.
So you could break the law and other people can't?
Oh, but you just said it was a law.
You just said, yeah.
I'm saying, according to you, me leaning on a car is a crime. That's what you just said. Because I'm damaging it, right? Am I on it? No. But I can be if I choose to.
I don't know why
You're not enforcing. I don't know why a law enforcement officer is making contact and not enforcing no law. You just keep asking me the same favor over and over. I said I'm okay. No, thank you. I'm recording.
Congratulations.
You don't. What do you care about? What do you care about?
You're recording. You don't care.
What do you care about? Okay. So why you f***ing with me?
Because you're leaning.
Am I committing? I'm not committing a crime. So you shouldn't be bothering me and talk to me. Period. Unless you see witness a crime, then arrest me. There's no crime being committed here.
That's why we investigated. That's why we
And what do you see me doing?
The conversation then turns toward the original traffic stop and why the officers allowed the vehicle to leave. The citizen questions the decision and asks whether the vehicle's registration or temporary tag explained what happened. The officer gives an explanation involving a possible temporary registration and the removal of an existing plate, while admitting that he was not present for every detail of the original stop. The discussion then returns to the cameras. The citizen asks whether additional officers were called because they were filming, but the officer denies that was the reason. Shortly afterward, the interaction takes another unexpected turn when a person inside the building asks about being recorded. He wants the recording stopped and expresses concern about his face appearing in the footage. The citizen responds by explaining that he is working on a project and cannot simply stop the recording at that moment, setting up a much deeper dispute over privacy and public photography.
To the car.
Okay.
You don't know who you are.
She knows exactly who I am. Your precinct knows exactly who I am. You witness a crime that you trying to enforce a law right now? Or you just want me to do a favor? I mean, you can stand there and waste tax dollars. I know you guys don't like to catch actual criminals.
Okay.
You're scared of that.
Yeah, but
Right, so why you not on the street? You on meal?
No, we didn't even start a tour.
So what are you doing? You in there doing paperwork?
No, I gotta do roll call actually.
Oh, so go ahead, have fun.
No,
You're doing nothing right now.
okay.
But standing next to somebody taking pictures in public.
Okay.
Cool.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you became a cop? Yeah. You lost your way, I see. You forgot why you became a cop, right? Why did you become a cop? You know what's the most important thing about your job? Do you know?
What is
Oh,
it?
you tell me.
I'm asking you if you know. You should know. It's your job. You don't
Is that
know?
a rhetorical question or is it an actual
No, it's
question?
an actual question. Do you know?
Okay. We don't know. You tell us.
To protect the Constitution and enforce the law. Are you doing either of that right now? No, right? So what are you doing? You're standing here watching somebody film.
6 precinct.
6. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How are you protecting the Constitution right now? Or how are you enforcing the law? How are you doing that? You're not. You're just standing there.
Okay. Yeah.
That's sad.
How many times do we need to record it?
How many times do I need to ignore you?
Oh, look at that. You're not.
Because you like my attention. You love me. You love me. That's why you're still here. You love me. That's why you're still here. Stop asking me. Stop talking to me. How about that? Since you don't care, just stop talking. Stop talking. Just stand there. Just stand there. I'm as close to the car as he is. I'm as close to the car as you are.
Okay, and we work
I guess
for
we're
us.
all
We
going
have
to
a right
jail,
touch
huh?
the vehicle. You
We're
don't.
all, yeah, of course I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Is the car registered
I
to you?
do. I'm
No.
recording.
Is it your car?
Yeah.
No, it's
No, it's
not.
not.
It's the city of New York. City of New York.
It's not your car.
Can I use it?
You don't
No,
work for
because
the
I don't.
city.
Exactly.
Yes, you can use it.
I don't. I'm not a public servant. You're right. But I can look at it.
Yes, you can look at
I
it.
can touch it. If there's leaves here, I can take these leaves out. Look. Is that a crime? Oh, but I can't touch it, right?
No, you can't.
Oh, okay. It's city property, right? Same way I could touch the building.
Touch your building.
I could touch those gates right there. City property. It's not a crime, right? It's not a crime? Okay. You don't see how ridiculous you guys look?
Now the confrontation becomes much more direct. The person being recorded repeatedly asks for the video to be deleted, while the citizen refuses and argues that recording in a public place is lawful. He points toward the Constitution and mentions First Amendment protections, explaining that he is conducting his work and does not believe he needs permission to film. The other person threatens to involve police, and the citizen essentially welcomes the response, confident that his actions are legal. Their disagreement becomes increasingly personal as they question each other's motives. Eventually, the citizen explains that he has been inside the public building for a significant amount of time and that the filming is not necessarily focused on one individual. He describes it as part of a project, potentially documenting customer service and waiting times. At this point, the argument is no longer simply about a camera. It has become a dispute over privacy, purpose, and the meaning of filming in public.
Hey, how are you?
I'm okay, sir.
What you filming?
Whatever I can see.
What's that?
Whatever I can see.
You can hear.
Whatever I can see.
All right, you can film all you want. Just we'd appreciate as people are leaving, you don't film their cars, personal cars.
I could film personal cars, sir.
Well,
There's no-
it makes us a little nervous because we're here and all the threats. So
Understandable, but I could take pictures of people's cars. You have no expectation of privacy. I could take pictures of whatever I want. I'm standing on the sidewalk.
this is true, but we'd appreciate if you don't do it. We are police officers, and we do have concerns. So we just ask you nicely. We're not chasing you, but we hope you understand our position.
No, I understand, but I respectfully decline, to stop recording the cars. I'm gonna record everybody.
If I may, and I'm sure, is there any reason you're recording our precinct? You're recording our cars? Is there any particular reason?
Because I want to. That's about it. There's nothing wrong with that, right?
Well, you're standing on the sidewalk. You're not coming into our parking lot. It's just like I said. We have our concerns, of course. You know what goes on in the media. It concerns us.
I definitely understand what you're saying, but all of that is irrelevant.
Well, it's relevant. It's just a matter of.
It's relevant towards you, yes, but to me, it's irrelevant, though.
It makes officers, as they're leaving with their personal cars, makes them a little uncomfortable.
Of course, of course.
Our police cars is one thing. It makes guys uncomfortable. We don't know if that information is going to be given out to somebody else. We don't know you. That type of thing. So. You follow me, right?
Yeah, of course.
I'm not chasing you because, it's a First Amendment right. You can film. We never tell you can't. You're allowed to. But you can understand our concerns.
Well,
the way things are, we do get a little nervous because it's our personal cause that you're filming and we're leaving. We're afraid that information might be out. We don't usually have people filming.
But that's public information, though.
Our personal cause?
It is public information. That's how y'all run the place. That's how y'all know what car belongs to who, and
Right, but you're by our parking lot in a police facility, so we get a little concerned. We're not going to chase you, obviously. You have a First Amendment right to be here, but you can understand why we're a little worried. You can't understand that, though, right?
No, I said, definitely, I understand. I understand where you're coming
from.
The
atmosphere against us, we get a little nervous.
Mm-hmm.
You can understand that we all have families and things of that.
Definitely. I could definitely understand.
The arrival of another officer brings even more attention to the central issue, whether filming people inside a publicly accessible building is automatically unlawful. The officer and others clearly question the citizen's purpose, asking why he is recording and what he intends to do with the footage. The citizen maintains that he is working on something and does not believe he has to reveal private details about his project. The discussion then turns toward privacy, with the other person arguing that people should be able to visit the postal facility without being filmed. The citizen counters that people generally have a reduced expectation of privacy in public spaces and again references constitutional protections. The disagreement becomes increasingly heated when the discussion shifts toward masks, hidden faces, and what someone might do with recorded footage. Despite repeated demands to stop filming or reveal his face, the citizen continues insisting that he is simply exercising his rights.
Understand what I'm saying? That it really
we
don't.
get that. We understand privacy. You know, there's a First Amendment right to do things. You can just understand our position. The only thing I can do as a supervisor is not chase you.
Is there a supervisor?
Yeah, I'm at the desk. I'm one of the supervisors.
Okay.
If you can maybe even give me an expectation of when you might be leaving. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to chase you. I can't. I'm not going to force you out of here. We're not going to have a fight or something like that. We're not doing that.
And
I
I
understand
appreciate
your
that.
constitutional right to do that, but you do understand where I'm coming from.
Yeah,
I think you can understand that, right?
What's your name, sir?
It's right on my shield.
I don't like to divulge things like that about myself, but I'm dyslexic and I really can't read. I'm asking you, can you tell me your name and badge number?
You'll be able to see it.
But I can't read.
Well, you're recording, right? So you can see it. I'm giving it to you. It's on video. It's Shimshi 2544.
That's it.
All right?
Can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Warrior 25906.
Paladino 11158.
What's your badge number, sir, and name?
2333. You're being recorded right now.
That's fine. That's no problem. What's your name?
17258.
Appreciate that.
What's your name?
I didn't give it.
Would you mind giving it to us?
Honest citizen.
Okay. Can't force it out of you. So we just, like I said, so the question I asked you before, you have any idea how much longer you're going to be here?
I'm not sure. Probably for a little while. Just want to get some pictures and stuff and, see what's going on around here.
Okay, so, but you did understand what I was telling you, right? About as far as I'm concerned?
100% I understand.
I can't stop you from doing this, and we're not going to. I'm not going to do anything to you, but
Once again, I appreciate that.
we appreciate your First Amendment right to be able to do what you're doing. We'd be very appreciative if you didn't, but again, we're not going to force you away.
Yeah, it's not really y'all could do for that. As long as I'm not committing a crime or y'all suspect
We're
that
not
I
even
did
giving you a hard
something.
time. We're just
Thank you.
We're entitled to ask, though, right?
Thank you. You're a gentleman.
That you can understand, though, because you're outside the precinct. We have a right to ask.
Of course, no, you have the right to go up to anybody and ask anything. But now it's the person's prerogative if they want to answer you.
Like I said, you have a constitutional right to video. It's just a matter of you understand our concerns.
Definitely.
Okay. So hopefully you won't be too much longer, and this will be a moot point.
Well, we'll see what happens. I appreciate you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Man, all these cops come out.